Hello, this is Ehsanul Haq. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk how can we download and install Jenkins in Windows 10 machine. First step is to navigate to Jenkins official website. Let's open the browser, type Jenkins over there. This is the official websites of Jenkins, jenkins.io. Let's click. This is the homepage of Jenkins websites. On this page, we can see there are a couple of links. There are documentation, plugins, community, sub-projects, about, download. For the purpose of the current demonstration, I have only interest in download link. Click this link. From this link, we'll get all the information of Jenkins download and deployment. The Jenkins produces two release lines. One is stable and another one is regular release. Every 12 weeks, it has been released for stable versions. I personally recommend to use a stable version of Jenkins. Here we can see three links: Changelog, upgrade guide, past release. Click Changelog. This log will let you know what changes they are doing in every release. This will help you to take decision to upgrade or downgrade Jenkins. Let's click upgrade guide. This guide will let you know what important changes you need to do to upgrade the Jenkins. Let's click past releases. From this web page, you will see all the releases of Jenkins. Jenkins is distributed as WAR files, native packages, installer and Docker images. In this tutorial, I'll go with the Windows installer. I'll download Windows installer to install. Before moving forward, you need to review one important section, that is hardware and software requirement. This section will make you comfortable that your environment is ready or not to install Jenkins. Let's click this section. So minimum hardware requirements of Jenkins is 256 MB of RAM, 1 GB of drive space. Recommended hardware configuration for a small team: 4 GB of RAM, 50 GB of drive space. Software requirement: Java. Your system should have installed Java to run Jenkins. See the Java requirement space. Java 8 runtime environment are supported in both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. One important thing is that Java 7 and prior are not supported. Java 9 and 10 are not supported. Java 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are not supported. At the moment of creating this video, the Jenkins current version is 2.303.1 LTS. So as I already said, I will use Windows installer. Let's click the Windows to download. Download completed. Let's check that whether my environment has Java installed or not. Open a command prompt. Type Java version. Sorry. Java has been installed. Version is 1.8.0. This is the recommended version. So my environment is ready to install Jenkins. If the Java does not have installed in your environment, install it. The version should be 1.8. Let's open a Jenkins installer. Installing Jenkins from Windows installer, it's a very simple task, just couple of click. Click next, click next. So you can choose run service as a local system or run service as a local or domain user. First option is not recommended, but I'm going through this option. Let's click. This is the default port to install the Jenkins, but if you want, you can change this port. So before moving forward, you need to check the port is available or not. Let's click the test port. This port is available. Let's click next. Java has already been installed in this folder. If your environment, if the JDK has installed on different directories, you can change. But for my environment, this is the default location. So I'm going through this directory. Let's click next. Let's click next. Click install. So it says finish. So open browse localhost 8080. In my environment, Jenkins, I have installed Jenkins already. So this is why you are getting this. For the new installation, you will get the web page like one, and for administrator password, you will find the administrator password from this location, and you can paste it and click continue. Your Jenkins installation will be completed.